Hello friends, I hope you are well. You have found the right way to get rich by watching this video. So like the video right now and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In this video we want to tell you how Andrew Tate and his brother got rich. So stay with us until the end of the video. Andrew Tate was first in this sport of kickboxing and was able to reach a high level in this sport. And then Andrew became more known in 2016 after appearing on 70th season of the British reality show Big Brother. Shortly after joining the show, a video of Andrew Tate wiping a woman with a belt began circulating on social media. Although the woman in the video later confirmed that the wiping was consensual and Andrew Tate left after just 6 days on the show, Big Brother left. After being fired from the Big Brother program, Andrew Tate started to create content online, and Andrew Tate's goal was how men can be more masculine and how to become rich and how to become an alpha male or top G. Only two men gave these trainings and designed a site for these people so that people can register systematically and then have access to Andrew Tate's courses. The name of this Andrew Tate product is Hustler University, which is one of the largest websites. It is a special subscription in the world and has a high profit. It goes without saying that Andrew Tate's site, Hustler University, earns $5 million per month, and this site is only one of Andrew Tate's sites. Andrew and his younger brother, Tristian, have made millions of dollars together, and according to them, their first big hit, which was apparently $100 million, was by starting a webcam business where men pay $4 a minute to interact with an attractive woman. Pay receive. According to reports, the Tate brothers ran a studio that was making money 24 hours a day. After that, Andrew Tate started Hustler University, and in this business, he was able to achieve his highest income, which we explained in the above sections. You have to pay $50 per month in Hustler University to be able to use Andrew Tate's digital products, and according to Andrew Tate, approximately 240,000 people renew Hustler University every month, which is a high income in itself. Andrew Tate has started a casino company in Romania with his brother Tristian, which is one of his sources of income. It goes without saying that Andrew Tate was able to obliterate all his casino competitors by offering free coffee in his casino, and you may not believe it, Andrew Tate has monthly income of millions of dollars with this casino industry that he started. Well friends, do you like the Tate brothers? Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos.